Next, we are going to look at a few questions on ratios. Determine whether the following pairs of ratios are equivalent. Now let's look at the number on the left-hand side of both the ratios. One is 3, the other is 15. We need to make them become the same if we want to make a comparison. If we multiply 3 by 5, we will get 15. We need to do that to the number on the right-hand side as well. And we get 15:35, which is exactly the same as the ratio on the right-hand side. So they are equivalent ratio. Determine whether the following pairs of ratios are equivalent. Now let's look at the number on the left-hand side of the ratios. One is 3 and the other is 7. We need to make them become the same if we want to make a comparison. But there's no number where we can multiply by 3 to get 7. In such a case, we need to get the common multiple of 3 and 7. And the common multiple is 21. 3 times 7 is 21. So for the ratio on the left-hand side, we are going to multiply it by 7. And we get 21:49. For the ratio on the right-hand side, we are going to multiply it by 3. And we get 21:60. We can see that they are not the same. So they are not equivalent ratio. Next, let's do a few questions on simplifying ratio. Remember that ratio at its simplest form must be in whole numbers. Right, there is a mixed number in the ratio, so we will have to convert it into improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7, so we have 7/3 to 6. Next, we need to make the fraction into whole number. How to do that? We multiply the ratio by 3. That way, we get rid of the denominator 3. So we get 7/18. One more question. Simplify the following ratio to its simplest form. First, we need to get rid of the decimals. The smallest decimal is 0.08, and we need to multiply it by 100 to make it into whole numbers. So we multiply both sides by 100 and we get 120/8, and then we divide the ratio by 8 to get 15:1. This is the simplest form of this ratio. Please do the quiz.